81 divided by 9 equals 9. 81 divided by 9 equals 9. 9 divided by 9 equals 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have 3 division operators present, and according to the rules we need to work from left to right to solve them correctly. So we need to solve this division first because that's on the left side. So 81 divided by 9, that gives us 9, and our expression simplifies to 9 divided by 81 divided by 9. And now we have 2 division operators present here. Again, we'll just go work from left to right. So 9 divided by 81, we can write it as 9 over 81, and then we have divide 9 available from the original expression, which we can write as 9 over 1. Now if you notice, we have a division operator present here, and we have fractions on the either side of it. And to solve it, we can use KCF rule here: keep, change and flip. Keep means we keep the first fraction 9 over 81 as it is. Change means we change the division operator to multiplication, and flip means we flip 9 over 1 as 1 over 9. Now we have multiplication operator present here, and to solve this, we can multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. We can do that now, but that involves big multiplication, so we need to see if we can simplify it further here. Yes, we can simplify it because this 9 and this 9 cancels out each other, and that leaves us with 1 over 81, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.